G'day everyone, Lauren Kress, the business scientist here. Welcome to my LinkedIn profile tips. And to start with today, I'm going to teach you how to put the Open to Work badge on your photo. I've also done a video separate to this where you can learn how to take it off your profile. So just in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put it on your profile. Now you can do the same steps whether you're on a desktop or on your mobile phone. So basically on your phone and on your computer, first thing you need to do is you need to come over to your profile page. Now, when you open LinkedIn, it defaults to your news feeds, which is the page that looks like this. So to get over to your profile, you can either click on your name up here, or you can also go to me and click up here and click your name that way, or click view profile. So once we're over here, we need to basically tell LinkedIn that you're open to work. Now, it's a little bit hidden, and if we click over here, it says show recruiters you're open to work. So let's click get started. Now, to be listed as open to work, you need to put in at least one job title, otherwise it won't work. So for me, just as an example, I'm going to put content manager. Okay. And you can put that you're open to remote work, if it's immediate, flexible, what type of job you're interested in. And then down here it says choose who sees you're open. So if you click this arrow here, it'll say you can show all LinkedIn members, and then you get this open to work photo frame or recruiters only. So you go ahead and click that one, and then you can see it's previewing what that's going to look like. And then all you need to do is click add to profile, and it gives you the option to start a post. So if you want to let people know, really good idea to have a post that tells people that you're open to work. I'm not going to do that because this is just to demonstrate. So I'm going to say no thanks. And now you can see it says open to work in that photo frame, and it says your job preferences have been added. If you want more LinkedIn profile tips, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in my next video, I'll show you how you can take this one off. Cheers, guys.